And it's pink enough tone that it doesn't clash with this burgundy color. Y'all, I feel like my face is still orange based. I just don't like it. I don't like it. I think that last color I did to neutralize actually had orange in it. So I'm going to get that off. And also just getting some off right by the nose anyway. Yeah, that helped. That definitely helped. Okay. All right, y'all. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you again soon. Oh, the one thing I didn't tell you is I'm loving my candle again. This is my Colonial Candle Pumpkin Pie. I have not talked about this in years. And this is truly one of my favorite candles. I mean, I just love this candle. It is, it was one of the first gifts I ever got that was a candle from someone. And I fell in love with it ever since. And I just put my candle out. And maybe I'll do that on this side too. And it has a nice little lid. And it comes in 3 sizes. There's a mini size that's about this big. And it comes in a large size about that big. And that's the one she gave me. And I loved it. And I remember thinking, oh my goodness, who would give somebody such a big, nice candle? And now we do that all the time. But she was ahead of she was ahead of her time. But anyway, I absolutely love this candle. I just felt the need to tell y'all that. I'll talk to y'all again soon. Bye. 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 Bye.